And here is the video.
My presupposition or assumption is that consciousness is foundational to reality. This can be explained by the encompassing view of panpsychism. However, within the boundaries of panpsychism is a variety of different belief constructs, and what one person means by panpsychism is not necessarily what another means. There are panpsychists that are very spiritual and panpsychists that are very close to materialists. One of my goals is to bring the two closer together. It should be noted that those who see consciousness arising out of materialism, who think that consciousness is an artifact of the brain, will not accept this idea at all. For them, there is no possibility of a trinitarian view. There is simply a oneness view, and it is that materialism is all that is necessary to understand anything. In my view, and in the view of many panpsychists, it is an erroneous view that does not adequately explain what we experience. In Bernardo Kastrup's book, Why Materialism is Baloney, the foreword makes this observation that I believe is spot on. Here's the quote: "In the pursuit of an external truth, scientific materialism has forgotten the internal, most fundamental reality of human existence. We can know nothing but that which appears in our own mind. Our mind is our reality, and when we attempt to reify either the subject or the object, we chase our own tail at light speed. The ontological vertigo produced by this exercise has extended to the point where materialist philosophers such as Daniel Dennett, Owen Flanagan, and Patricia and Paul Churchland tell us that consciousness itself does not exist. And as if this were not enough, they utter this pronouncement with the smugness and self-assuredness of a Pat Robertson or Jerry Falwell." End quote. Kastrup, Bernardo. Why Materialism is Baloney. How True Skeptics Know. There is no death and fathom. Answers to Life, the Universe, and Everything. PT2. John Hunt Publishing. Kindle edition. If, on the other hand, Kastrup is right and materialism is not the total answer, let's explore the possibility provided by a panpsychist, philosophical idealist view of reality. In this view, you have universal creative consciousness. Within this consciousness, there are individual conscious agents that act as the creator, and you have the material world brought into existence by this creative conscious force. It is a kind of mind, soul, and body. Yes, indeed, it is Trinitarian. Each aspect of this scientific trinity provides an important function. First of all, you have the completely spiritual. It is consciousness. In it resides all of the potential knowledge that is infinite in nature. It could be called the parent. Next, you have the creative individual conscious agent. It is the creative source for the material aspect. It could be called the logos as it was defined in Greek and Hermetic terms. Finally, you have the incarnation of the logos, which are individual material vessels to house the logos. This aspect is the one who experiences the knowledge that makes it complete. This allows the individuated logos to expand its knowledge and thereby expand the knowledge of the whole. No one aspect is superior to the other. All are necessary and all are symbiotic. They work together to create the tapestry of reality. Could it simply be that the concept of Father, Son, and Holy Ghost is a metaphor for this principle? I believe that is very likely. Once a person accepts the idea that consciousness is foundational, and more scientists are coming to that conclusion. Many of them will not accept the spiritual nature of the hypothesis, but it is very real. That makes no difference and does not change the logical conclusion that it is a reality. We know for certain that humans are imbued with consciousness, and we also agree that much of the animal kingdom is conscious to one degree or another. If consciousness is foundational, that means that it transfers its nature to its creation. It is not a stretch to conclude that the entire universe is conscious. If one takes this idea to its natural complete conclusion, then truly the universe is triadic. It is universal consciousness, individual consciousness, and materiality. If you find this interesting, or if it resonates with you, please subscribe, comment, and share. It all helps the algorithm.